Dear student of class 9, today I will solve remaining question of exercise 4.3, question number 7. Now see question number 7 on page number 75 open and look question number 7. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9 of a school, together contributed 100 rupees. Together contribution 100 rupees toward the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help earthquake victim. Write a linear equation which satisfy this data. You may take their contribution as Yamini X rupees, as Fatima Y rupees. Draw the graph of the same. So now let Yamini and Fatima have contributed as X rupees and Y rupees. So total contribution is equal to 100 rupees. So Yamini for X and Fatima for Y rupees, total X plus Y is equal to 100. This is linear equation of two variable. So with the help of this equation, we can draw graph, plot the graph. So now plot a straight line, make a straight line between 2 points. If 2 points are joined, make a line. So now this draw a line, this is 2 points. So join this point, so make a line. So straight line, this line cut x axis and y axis. Also this is x and y intersect axis. So now we find point. So let x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0 plus y is equal to 100, 0 plus y, so y is equal to 100. So point 0 comma 100, and again let y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 100. So put y 0, so x is equal to 100. So this is 100 comma 0. Now plot the graph for equation x plus y is equal to 100 and point 100 comma 0 and another point 0 comma 100. So now this is biggest number. So now let this is x axis and y axis. Take 0 from right side, positive. So now let 10 small box, 10 20 10 small box is equal to 20 rupees, and x-axis and 10 on x-axis and 10 small box y. So these are set. So now 0 से 20, 20 से 40, 40 to 60 to 80 to 100 to 120, and also same way 20, 40 and 60, 80, 100, and also positive 20, 40, 60 and 80, 100, 120, and also replace here. So this y dash axis, so minus 20, minus 40, minus 60, minus 80, minus 100. So now when x is equal to 0, x, this is represent on x axis, x0, y 100, x0, y 100. So this is 100. So cut 0, 100. And when x 100, so this is x 100 and y nothing. So this is cut 100, 0. So this point, with the help of scale, draw a straight line. So equation x plus y is equal to 100. So this is made a graph. Now see question number 8. Look at question number 8. In countries like USA, Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, where in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation convert Fahrenheit Celsius. So now given equation F is equal to 9/5 into C plus 32. So 32. First, draw the graph of linear equation above using Celsius as the x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. तो ग्राफ प्लॉट करने के लिए हमें पॉइंट की ज़रूरत होती है. तो पॉइंट हमें जो है, दिस इज़ 2 वेरिएबल, एक वेरिएबल को हमको लेट करना पड़ेगा. तो दिस पॉइंट इज़ नाउ लेट c is equal to 0. C is equal to 0. Put, so this is question number 8. So put c is equal to 0, then f is equal to 9/5 into 0 plus 32. So f is equal to 0 plus 32, f is equal to 32. यानी एक बार हम c की वैल्यू 0 रख करके हम f की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. तो c की वैल्यू अगर 0 मान रहे हैं तो ये 0 क्वांटिटी हो जाएगी, f इज इक्वल टू 32. सो नाउ पॉइंट 0, 32. अगेन f इज इक्वल टू ये पॉजिटिव मिल रहा है हमारा, कुछ ऐसी वैल्यू रखें नेगेटिव जो आसानी से हम प्लॉट कर लें। तो सो एफ इज इक्वल टू, नाउ सी इज इक्वल टू -40, पुट सी इज इक्वल टू -40, देन एफ इज इक्वल टू 9/5 -40। आप 40 की जगह -10 रख सकते हैं, -20 रख सकते हैं, 60 रख सकते हैं, ऐसी वैल्यू रखिए जो 5 से डिविजिबल हो जाए। सो प्लॉट करने में हमें आसानी ग्राफ होगा। तो नाउ पुट सी इज इक्वल टू -40, सो +32, सो 5 8 × 40 -8 9 72, so -72 + 32, this is -40 degree. So this is C -40 and F also -40. 2 पॉइंट आपको मिल गए। अब इससे जो है आप ग्राफ प्लॉट कर सकते हैं। So given equation f is equal to 9/5 c + 32, आपका पॉइंट जो मिला है 0,32 एंड दूसरा -40 -40। तो इसको ग्राफ पर 8 से 4 से डिवाइड हो सकता है, 8 से डिवाइड होगा, 4 से अगर डिवाइड करेंगे तो थोड़ा बड़ा ग्राफ बनेगा, 8 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो छोटा मीडियम में बन जाएगा आपका। सो ग्राफ प्लॉट, दिस इज x axis and this is y axis. So this is origin. So now let a 10 small box is equal to 8. So now in question, x-axis represent on a Celsius x-axis Celsius x-axis, ये this is Fahrenheit, FAH Fahrenheit. So this is F and this is G Celsius, degree Celsius. So now this is 8 Celsius or Fahrenheit y-axis. 10 small box is equal to 8 degrees Celsius and 10 small box is equal to, this is 8 Fahrenheit on, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is x-axis. So now this is 0 0, so this is 8 16 24 32 40 and also this is 8 16 24 and 32 and 40, this is 48. Also this is -8 -16 -24 minus 32 minus 40, so minus 48. Also minus 8 minus 16 minus 4 minus 24 minus 32 minus 40, so minus 48. So when x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 32. So this is 32. So 0 comma 32. And when x is equal to minus 40, so this is minus 40 and y also minus 40. So this is and downwards, and this is intersect this minus 40 and also minus 40. So this is minus 40 minus 40. So now draw a straight line with the help of scale. आप जब भी लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे स्केल से, न कि हाथ हैंड से आप ड्रॉ नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि यह एक लाइन की इक्वेशन होती है, ये स्ट्रेट लाइन होनी चाहिए. सो दिस इज प्लॉट of the graph equation f is equal to 9/5 c plus 32. So also this c is equal to minus 160/9 degree centigrade. So c is equal to minus 17. So not divisible this number, so 17 so degree centigrade. So now approx, so c is equal to minus 17.78, this answer. So also, and at last eight part of fifth. Is there a temperature which numerically same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. So now same according to this graph we can write. So also solve it. Let a temperature and Fahrenheit be x. So x. So now put x. So c is equal to also x degree Celsius and f is equal to also x degree Fahrenheit. So now put this value on formula. So f is equal to 9/5 into c plus 32. So f is equal to 9/5 c plus 32. So x, this is f is equal to x and 9/5, and this is also x plus 32. So now x minus 9/5 x is equal to 32. So now take LCM. This is 5 and 5 x minus 9x is equal to 32. So 5x minus 9x, this is minus 4x upon 5 is equal to 32. Also therefore x is equal to 32 into 5 divided by minus 4. So 4 8 the 32. So this is x is equal to minus 40 degree. So C is equal to F is equal to minus 40 degree. So C is equal to, put here, this is x value put here. So this is C is equal to x degree Fahrenheit, Celsius. C is equal to Celsius temperature. So C is equal to minus 40 degree Celsius. So this is also same, and F is equal to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. Value are same, but unit, this is unit different. So Celsius, so this is temperature denoted, and this is unit temperature Celsius, and this is F Fahrenheit denote, and temperature also F. So both are same. So minus 40. That's all. Thank you. Revise it.